clarify something, because a lot of y'all are tagging me in this whole Harmonique stuff, right? I wrote on Nupa Kasibali. I can show you videos of them agreeing to put me down as a writer. I didn't realize that they didn't put me down as a writer until after the fact. And this was like around the time that the Christmas shows bookings were starting to come in. And so imagine, I don't have my writing credit on BMI, and these niggas had the audacity to not want to pay me, to not want to pay me to perform, to not want to get me my travel arrangements, okay? I can also show you videos of them coming to Atlanta and basically begging me to do Nupapakasi Bali. When we did the video, they didn't pay for nothing. I did my own hair, my own makeup for the video. Them niggas didn't want to pay for nothing. Their manager especially didn't want to pay for nothing. And so then when it got time to start performing, I'm like, yo, I need to get paid for this. Like, and I need my stuff to be done in order. Like, flights need to be arranged, and not no flights that I have to go fight for a seat. Because even like when we did the video, their manager sent me a ticket with no seat and told me, oh, when I get to the airport, I have to find a seat. No, bitch. Send me a ticket with a flight, with a seat arrangement. So mind you, they have a song out there that I'm not getting credit for. They used me for the video. They didn't want to pay me to perform, and now they have another girl singing it on their album. This is just an example of why Haitian music is where it's at. Y'all are ugly. You do ugly things, and you do it to your own, because you would not do that to somebody who's not Haitian. And you know what's the saddest part? Me and Mac D connected because I reached out to Mac D because I saw people threatening Mac D online because he was talking about the whole Jovenel Moïse thing, and he was talking about who he thought killed Jovenel. I reached out to him. I was like, hey, like, don't say anything, like, be safe. I even started these Zoom calls with a lot of Haitian influencers, like trying to get us together during everything that happened last year. You would think that me reaching out in that spirit, like, of camaraderie, you would think that they would appreciate that and they would treat me well. No, they got online and Mac D posted how I never promoted the song. You guys can go on my page. You guys can see how many times I promoted the song. He went on his page and said I never promoted the show, which is not true. Him and his managers are liars. Sanders, who was supposed to put me down as having credit for the song, didn't put me down as a writer for the song. Like, this is what your own people do to you. Please, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, when I first met Harmonique years ago, I did a song with them for free. This is before I had a platform. Then going back here, I did another song for free, but I asked for my writing. That's all I asked for, and they didn't give that to me. This is why the motherfuckers are singing in the Chitlin circuit, and they will be singing in the Chitlin circuit till Jesus comes back. I don't care. If you support me, support the song that I have out, which is a song that I had in exchange for me recording the record with them. That's it. Don't tag me in nothing. Well, you can't tag me, but don't send me nothing. I don't care. I don't care. Trust me, I'm good. I'm doing a lot of things that are great. I'm getting money. I don't have to perform in 3 to 4 different cities per week just to get by like they do. I have things that are coming my way, that God is opening doors for me, and I've been working and I've been doing my own thing for 5 years now. I'm good. The whole Harmonique thing was just a reminder to me that it really be your own people. It be your own people that treat you the worst. It don't be white people. It be your own people that treat you the worst. And that's why I will never, ever, 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 ever work with anybody in the HMI like that, unless it's a woman. Like, I will work with women, but I won't work with anybody in the HMI. Like, you guys are like terrorists. Like, terrorists. Especially to women. Like, the way they treat women is so disgusting. Like, I don't want any part of that. And it's not a privilege. Like, it's really not a privilege. Women don't make much money in the HMI, and they just get sucked dry. I'm good, boo. Trust me. Watch how God, first of all, if you've been watching my journey, you've seen how God has moved in my life. Watch how God moves next. Anyway, I have a song called Take Control. Thank you, Sandals. It's out on all platforms. I'm recording a video for it next month. Support that.